Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have to ask the ask. This one you got to ask. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for u. Ask the ask we change for this one. So this one that is about u to the power of 1/3. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have 4/3. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.